A lot of people think that recording voiceovers into your video project is complicated or that you need a lot of fancy equipment to do that. But the real deal is it's pretty simple. And in this video, I'm going to take you through a couple of different ways to add voiceovers to your video project. Most computers already have a video editing software program built into the machine. There are things like Final Cut Pro or iMovie or Premiere Pro or any number of other video editing software out there, most of which have the capability, if not all, to do what we're going to cover today. Okay, before we get into the actual step-by-step, I'm going to give you a few pointers just to make your voiceovers sound more professional. The first is, if you can, use an external microphone instead of the built-in mic. If all you have is a built-in mic, that's totally fine, but you can buy a USB mic for fairly little money and plug that directly into your computer, and that'll give you automatically a much more professional sound when you record your voiceover. So if you're creating YouTube videos or training videos or marketing content, commercials, these steps that we're going to walk through today will work for all of those. And once you know this skill, no matter which video editor you're using, it's a very valuable skill to have. And if we've never met, my name's Mike Hathcote. I'm a full-time professional voice actor, and I run the Voiceover Blueprint training program and YouTube channel here, where we teach up-and-coming voice actors how to be professional and grow and maintain their career. And if you're curious whether or not professional voiceover might be right for you, I host a weekly Tuesday night webinar at 6 p.m. Pacific Time, 9 p.m. Eastern, where we cover the entire voiceover industry, the steps to get into the industry, and you can also ask me some questions right there on the call to see if it's right for you. And just for showing up for the webinar, you're going to get a copy of my book, The Voiceover Blueprint. You'll get the digital version as well as the downloadable PDF, plus 4 free additional gifts just for showing up for the webinar. So just click that link down below and sign up for that webinar. It's absolutely free, and I'll see you then. But for now, let's talk about adding some voiceovers to your videos. There's a couple of mistakes that a lot of new voice actors and content creators make when they're first starting to record voiceovers, and that is thinking that you have to get the entire recording done in one take. A lot of the time, in fact, most of the time when you're recording voiceovers, your editor is your friend. So that's how most of these are done. If you make a mistake, you just keep recording and then you can go back and edit it later. That's going to save you a lot more time than trying to get through 99.9% of a read and then making a mistake and having to start all over again. The second mistake is thinking that you have to buy a bunch of expensive tools or software to get this done. If you've already got your recording software, chances are you already have the tools to edit your voiceovers. Mistake number 3, if you're not a professional voice actor, is just reading the words off the page. Think about the listener. Think about the story you're telling. Try to sound as natural as you can versus just reading verbatim, like you would read from a book. Okay, first we're going to hop over to Adobe Audition. That's my preferred recording software, which is called a DAW, a Digital Audio Workspace. And it's just a fancy word for your recording software that you can record and edit your voiceovers. So we're going to hop in there first, and then we'll jump from there into Final Cut Pro, which is my preferred video editor. So here we go. Okay, here we are in Adobe Audition, and this is my DAW where I've got a file here that has been recorded. Now, this recording is not of me. It's one of my students in the Voiceover Blueprint. And what I'm doing here is I'm adding his voiceover to an existing piece of content to make it look and sound and feel like a real commercial. So I'll go ahead and play that for you now, and you can hear what we're going to be working with. Let me go ahead and back it up and play it.
We rent cars unlike anyone else rents cars. Because for 75 years, we've only had one plan: to make sure you keep yours.
Okay, so that is the file we're working with, and this is from our monthly fake audition program that we have in the Blueprint, where we post an audition and people submit their best takes, and then we pick a winner, and then they get an audio video demo out of the deal. So now we're going to hop over to Final Cut Pro, and I'll show you how to add this piece of audio a couple of different ways to your project. So I'm going to hop over to Final Cut. Here I've got my footage of the spot. This is a 15-second spot for Avis. And so the first thing I'm going to do, the first way I'm going to show you is actually just using that file from Adobe Audition and dropping it right in here to the file in Final Cut. So I'm just going to go searching for that. And that is right here. So I'm going to just grab that and just slide it right down into the timeline here. As you can see here, it's on its own, its own file, its own separate area here, and you can move it around as you need to. If you need to chop it up, which in this one I wouldn't want to because it's got music and stuff behind it, so if you start to put gaps in it, you're going to have gaps in the audio. But if you need to, you can do that. So I'll actually show you that part in just a sec when I do just the recording version. But in this case, this is how I would actually this is how I would actually sync it up with this piece of footage. So now that I've got it in the right place, I'm going to just play this and just watch the monitor right up here.
We rent cars unlike anyone else rents cars. Because for 75 years, we've only had one plan: to make sure you keep yours.
Okay, so pretty basic, right? You can either go browse for the file or you can just drag it in from your computer. So that is the first way to add audio to your video. Now the next way I'm going to show you is to actually record directly into your video editor. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the original file that I dropped in here. So you can see it's highlighted in yellow. I'm going to just delete that. Now I'm going to go up here to Window. And by the way, remember this is Final Cut Pro, which is an Apple product, but whatever you're using, whether it's Premiere Pro or any of the other video recording or video editing software out there, you should have the option to record directly into the software. So I'm going to click on Window. I'm going to go down to Record Voiceover, and it pops up with this little window here. And there's several different things you can do here. You can, give it a name. You can change things like you can have it count down to the recording or mute. There's lots of different settings here. I'm just going to leave it alone, and I'm just going to hit record, and I'm going to read that same script directly into the editor. So here we go. We rent cars unlike anyone else rents cars. Because for 75 years, we've only had one plan: to make sure you keep yours. Okay, there is my audio right there. Get that out of the way. In fact, I can close that now. This is my audio. And as you can see here, you can grab it and drag it back here under the footage. Another thing you can do is you can grab the little handles at the edge here, and you can take that extra time at the end and drag it in. Once again, you can slide it around wherever you want it. And this is what I was talking about before. I'm going to break this up into little pieces because I want it to sync up with what's being shown on screen. So let's play it here real quick. We rent cars. Okay, first I'm going to turn it up. So it's not really quite loud enough. So I'm going to hover right over here, this line, click, raise it up. Let's see what it sounds like now. We rent cars unlike anyone else rents cars. Because for 75 years. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to put a split between the first and second line. So I'm going to highlight it and put my playhead right there between those two. And on my keyboard, I just do a Command B for blade, but you can also pull that up here from your drop down. And now we've got the first part, the second part, and then I'm going to do the same for the third part. Do the same there, Command B, blade, slide that out. So now we can make these lines match what's happening on the screen. So, like I said, this is just the dry version of this commercial. Whatever you're trying to record, whether it's dry or with music. I'm just doing this dry for an example, but if you want to add music and stuff to it, you totally can. You can do it the same way. You can even just drag in music on its own line in the timeline. But let's just listen to this right now. We rent cars unlike anyone else rents cars. Because for 75 years, we've only had one plan: to make sure you keep yours. Okay, so there you go. That's recording directly into Final Cut Pro or whatever recording or editing software that you've got. Now, when you're ready to export this, let's say it's finalized, you've got the voice where it needs to be, then you're just going to go up to the file editor here. You're going to go drop down to share and just pick whichever option. Usually it's just export file, and that will let you put all the settings in and let you save it the way you want to save it. All right, that's it. Hopefully you got something out of that and are now able to add voiceovers to your video projects, whatever they may be. Like I said, you could be doing YouTube videos, any sort of content creation. You can either record directly into your editor, or you can record into an audio recording piece of software and then import that into your editor. Either one works. And another quick reminder about that webinar coming up this Tuesday night. If you're interested in becoming a voice actor, we're going to cover the industry. We're going to talk about the path. We're going to talk about some mistakes that you could make. And you can ask me questions right there live on the call. So again, down in the description and pinned comment, just click that link to sign up absolutely free. You're going to get a copy of the book, The Voiceover Blueprint, just for showing up, and hope to see you there. Well, that's it for me. Thank you for hanging out once again. And if you didn't completely hate this video, feel free to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's the best way to help us here on our little channel. And if you have a comment about anything that I just talked about today, leave that as well. Also, if you're curious about any of the recording software we talk about today, like I talked about Adobe Audition being mine, but there are several others out there. If you want to get a breakdown of all the different recording software that you can use for your voiceovers, then check this out right here.